Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Battlefield 6 DirectX Function, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error in your Battlefield 6. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here reg edit, click yes on here, and then you're going to go into HKey local machine, and then you're going to go into software, and then you're going to scroll down until you find Microsoft. Then you're going to scroll down again. You're going to go into DirectX now, select any folder on here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come here at the right window. You're going to right click on it, click new, go into keyword 64-bit value, name it adapter fluid, and then just press enter. I can't do that because I already have it written here. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to double click on that adapter fluid and set it to 0, and then click OK. After that, you're going to close this up. You're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can go ahead and play your Battlefield 6 and you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.